Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are all fine. For last couple of days we have been discussing change in demand. And in this topic we discussed one side of it, that's movement along the demand curve, जिसे हम extension and contraction कहते हैं. चलिए आज हम इसके दूसरे फेज की तरफ आते हैं, that's shift in demand curve. देखिए आप जानते हैं कि demand is affected by a number of factors. Price of the commodity, income of the consumer, price of related goods, tastes, preferences, climate, etc. And we have studied the impact of price change on the demand of a commodity. और आपने देख लिया कि when price changes only, it leads to movement along the demand. Now let's today move to the impact of the other factors. That's factors other than price on the demand of a commodity. Now we can say that when demand changes due to change in factors other than price, it leads to increase in demand or decrease in demand. Due to that, we witness shift in the demand curve. Now let's first study increase in demand. Increase in demand implies that at a given price, a larger amount is purchased due to change in factors other than price of the same commodity. Other than price of the same commodity, or that a given amount is purchased at a higher price. जनरली यूं होता है कि जब प्राइस राइज होता है तो डिमांड फॉल होती है, प्राइस फॉल होता है तो डिमांड राइज होती है. बट in case of increase in demand, there is no change in price. There is no change in price. Then why there is change in demand? It's because of change in factors other than price. And here two situations emerge. More purchases at same price and same purchase at higher price. That is, we have more at same price, same at higher price. More at same price, same at higher price. Now let us discuss this with the help of schedules and graph. Now let us take the first case with the help of a schedule. That is same price, more purchase. Let us suppose when the price of ice cream is rupees 3, 3 units are purchased. If the price remains the same, but 4 cups or units are purchased, it is the case of increase in demand. Here, more is purchased at the same price. Maybe due to intensity of the heat, higher temperature. Right? Now come to the next. Price rises, but demand does not change. It is same. That is same at high price. होना ये चाहिए था कि यहाँ डिमांड फॉल होनी चाहिए, परचेज कम होनी चाहिए क्योंकि प्राइस राइज हुआ था. लेकिन हो क्या रहा है? डिमांड इज सेम. इट मे बी ड्यू टू हायर टेम्परेचर, because we don't bother about the higher prices when the situation demands more. तो इस वजह से प्राइस हाई है लेकिन डिमांड सेम रहती. That is when the price of ice cream is 3 units are purchased. If price moves to 4, but the purchase remains the same as before, it's also increase in demand. क्योंकि higher price पे demand fall होती है, but it remains the same, so it's increase. Now we can explain this schedule with the help of a graph. आप इस ग्राफ की तरफ आइए. देखिए, इंक्रीज, लेट अस सपोज दैट हमारी जो डिमांड करूँ है, इनिशियल डिमांड करूँ, इट इज DD1. व्हेन प्राइस इज 3, डिमांड इज 3 units. So the consumer is at point E of demand curve. Due to change in other factors influencing demand, the demand curve shifts from DD1 to DD2. because of two reasons. On F of demand curve, the purchase of ice cream is more at same price. That is 3. At 3, it was 3, but now it's 4 at the same price. Now come to point G. Here, the purchase remains 3 at a higher price, that is 4. In both the situations, we move from point E to F, and here we are again moving outward, because our demand was 2 when price was, our demand was 3 when price was 3, but at a higher price we are again demanding the same quantity. So in this case our demand curve will shift outward, and this is known as increase in demand. The new curve, that GD2, represents the increase in demand, right? Now what are the causes of increase in demand? We have here some causes. The first is when income of the consumer increases. At higher incomes, we demand more irrespective of the price of the commodity. Or when price of substitute goods increases, right? In that case, we move to the goods whose price does not change. Or when the price of complementary goods falls. For example, if the price of cars falls, cars become cheap, the demand for petrol will go up. Or when taste of the consumer shifts in favor of the commodity due to change in the fashion or climate. Climate favorable बनता है, taste favorable बनता है. Or if we expect the prices in the future to rise, then the present demand will increase. Yeah, sometimes the market becomes wide, the number of consumers increase. In that case, the demand for a commodity will also go up irrespective of change in the price. When the income of the consumer is expected to increase in near future, when a consumer expects that his income will increase, in that case demand will also go up, right? This is the case of increase in demand. Contrary to this, we have decrease in demand as well. उसका दूसरा जो हिस्सा है, that's decrease in demand. Decrease in demand implies that at any given price, a smaller amount is purchased due to change in factors other than price of the commodity. Same commodity. Or that any amount is purchased at a lower price. So here again two situations emerge. Same price, less purchase. Same price, less purchase. That is same at less price, less at same price. होना क्या चाहिए? प्राइस जब फॉल हो, डिमांड राइज होनी चाहिए, लेकिन यहां प्राइस फॉल होता है लेकिन डिमांड सेम रहती है. यहां प्राइस सेम है लेकिन डिमांड फॉल हो रही है. वजह क्या है? देयर कुड बी सम रीजन. आप ध्यान से इस शेड्यूल को देख लीजिए. हियर द प्राइस इज सेम बट परचेज आर लेस. हियर द प्राइस इज लेस बट परचेज आर सेम. इट इज डिक्रीज इन डिमांड. यहाँ प्राइस फॉल की वजह से डिमांड इंक्रीज होनी चाहिए लेकिन इट रिमेन सेम. यहाँ सेम प्राइस की वजह से डिमांड सेम रहनी चाहिए बट इट फॉल्स. सो इट्स कंट्रेरी टू द फर्स्ट केस. अगर इसी शेड्यूल को हम ग्राफ में ट्रांसलेट करें, यू विल गेट ए कर्व लाइक दिस. इनिशियली आवर कंज्यूमर वाज एट पॉइंट ई, right, but he moves towards point F. Here the demand was 3 units. At this point it is 2 only. Price is 3. That is less at same price. Less at same price. अब दूसरी सिचुएशन में आइए. Less price. Price falls from 3 to 2 for example, but now our consumer is at point G, प्राइस फॉल हो रहा है लेकिन डिमांड क्या है, सेम है। इस सूरत में वी मूव फ्रॉम पॉइंट ई टू एफ and G remain the same at a lower price. So here we witness inward movement of demand. It is decrease in demand. It is decrease in demand. Our demand curve shifts inwards. In the previous case, it shifted outward. This is the case of decrease in demand. Why there is decrease in demand? There could be reasons. Fall in the income of the consumer, or when the price of substitute goods decreases, complementary goods का increase होता है, जो कंज्यूमर के टेस्ट्स होते हैं, प्रेफरेंसेस होते हैं, या क्लाइमेट, इट मूव शिफ्ट्स अगेंस्ट द कमोडिटी, राइट? और फ्यूचर prices are expected to decrease. The price of a commodity is expected to decrease in the future, near future. Yeah, number of consumers decrease. These are the reasons that led to decrease in demand. In this way, we have studied the impact of change in various factors that affect demand. In the first case, we studied the impact of price, and in the other, we discussed the impact of factors other than price. Price led to movement along the demand curve, and change in factors other than price led to shift in demand curve. तो आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you all.